Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video, I fly my drone at Unmanned Aircraft Flying Area at Dover Road, Singapore. This area is designated by the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore where you can practice to fly your drone. And this area is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Just to make it clear guys, even though this area is a designated unmanned aircraft flying area, but we still need to follow the Singapore regulation about the maximum altitude, which is 60 meters. This area was demarcated with flags as boundaries where you can walk around and practice the features of your drone. In this video, I was able to try the active track feature. I also tested the 360-degree obstacle avoidance of my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. By the way, this area is not exclusive for those who are flying their drones. There are so many people also who are walking and cycling around the area. So it's best to be careful and to avoid the crowds guys when you are flying your drones. Thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you again in my next drone flight adventure here in Singapore.